Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you trying to post an item but your photos won't upload? If Facebook Marketplace keeps failing, freezing or showing an update error, the issue is usually related to permissions, internet connection or app glitches. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix pictures won't upload on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, why photos won't upload? So common reasons include weak or unstable internet, Facebook app glitches, no photo permission enabled, corrupted app cache, large image file size, or marketplace posting restrictions. So start with the basic troubleshooting. Okay, so let's start with the internet connection. So you can now switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off and retry, because stable connection allows smooth uploads, and uploading requires stronger signal than browsing. You can also check app permissions. So on iPhone, go to settings, scroll to Facebook, tap app photos, and so let's do it. Tap applications, search for Facebook, and select pictures and choose full access. Okay, so without permission uploads will fail. Okay, so this fixes many hidden uploads issues. You can also update the Facebook application as a whole. Okay, if there is a problem about the uploading, so open App Store, search Facebook, tap upload updates if it's available, because outdated versions may break photos uploads. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.